Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best roll-on bedliners on Amazon. Protecting your truck bed is a smart choice if you want to extend the life of your ride. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Custom Shop Custom Coat Black. This professional quality kit comes with 4 quarts of roll-on liner product. To use, you'll pour one of the 8-ounce cans of hardener into one of the 24-ounce bed liner material cans. Shake well to mix the 2 products together, and it's ready to use. Your kit will come with 4 cans of each product. The kit also includes 2 rollers, 2 brushes, and a coating tray with liner. You can cover 110 to 130 square feet with a single kit at 10 mils wet film thickness. Once cured, the textured coating is heat and UV resistant, waterproof, and corrosion resistant. The urethane formula is tough but flexible. One issue with this product is that it requires a lot more paint preparation and mixing than other liner products. The included paint applicators may not last for the entire project. Number 2. Durabac Light Gray Textured Roll-On Truck Bed Liner Kit. Protect your truck with this polyurethane protective coating. It comes in either a quart or gallon can. You can choose from 16 colors for a custom look for your truck bed. When finished, it will have a textured feel to create a slip-resistant surface. What's nice about this coating is that it comes pre-mixed, making it an all-in-one single application. It will protect your truck bed from abrasions, chemicals, saltwater, corrosion, and UV rays. You can use any leftover coating on a wide variety of surfaces, including ramps, catwalks, docks, decks, ladders, steps, and small fishing boats. It binds with coated surfaces, fiberglass, aluminum, metal, and wood. 2 rollers are included with the can of liner. The downside of this roll-on bed liner is that the grit that makes the coating non-slip can clog the roller during application. This can make it difficult to get a clean and even layer. Number 3. Raptor Black Coating Roll-On. Apply this truck bed liner and protect your truck from UV rays, scratches, impacts, saltwater, chemicals, and corrosion. This 2-part urethane formula will adhere to wood, plastic, metal, fiberglass, and concrete. It will cure to a textured black finish for a non-slip surface. You'll appreciate the simple process for use. Mix the liner and hardener together, shake, then roll it on. A single kit can cover up to 65 square feet with 2 coats and should be enough for a standard-sized truck bed. If you have an 8-foot bed, you will need 2 kits for complete coverage. Unfortunately, the roller isn't very good quality, so it may not last through an entire application. This kit also doesn't come with an adhesion spray or cleaner, which other kits will include. Number 4. RustOleum Professional Grade Truck Bed Liner Kit. Trust the roll-on truck bed liner kit that comes from one of the most trusted names in protective coatings. This kit stands out because it comes with enough product to cover and protect an 8-foot truck bed. It uses an epoxy formula that covers up to 100 square feet of surface area. After application, your truck bed is ready for light duty after 24 hours. This coating kit also stands out because it uses cross-linking technology to create a premium barrier. It will protect against impacts, corrosion, water, and abrasion. You'll appreciate how easy this liner is to apply. One drawback of this kit is that it will require more effort to achieve proper mixing than other kits. The consistency can be varied, making it more difficult to apply in a uniform coat. Number 5. Duply Color Bed Armor D Truck Bed Liner with Bed Armor Kit. This water-based roll-on bed liner comes in a complete kit. This product stands out because the water-based formula makes cleanup fast and easy. There's also no recoat window. The kit comes with a gallon of coating, a wooden paint stirrer, paintbrush, roller, paint pan, and a sanding pad. A single kit can cover a 6-foot bed box. This liner will protect your truck bed from gasoline, automotive chemicals, and impacts when correctly applied. Kevlar is formulated into the coating for extra strength. A standout feature of this kit is that the coating has no working pot life. You can save the unused product for future projects or touch-ups. Unfortunately, if you have an 8-foot bed box, you'll need to buy an additional quart of formula. The water-based formula may not be as durable as other oil-based formulas. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.